In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again and hit device unlock. Finally, select screen lock and tap on one of those locking methods: numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Then wait 5 seconds and choose continue in important notice pop-up. You can always change your mind and click on use a different password type to pick one of those options: 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. When you're ready, create your login method and repeat it to confirm it. Then, to enable fingerprint unlock right away, select enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it, just click on cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!